later, it seems. Can you able to see the PPT? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Good morning. Good morning, brother. Good morning, students. Yesterday we had discussed common HTTP 1.1 response headers. So context type, hex space, and last modification time we had discussed. And previously we had discussed the cache control, content encoding, content length. So content type, expires, last modification time. All these things we had discussed yesterday. Today we'll see the remaining things. Locations also we had briefly we had discussed. Location is nothing but the URL. Locations, we have to enter the address then we'll be getting the informations. Refresh is nothing but which is the already existing the address, we are doing the refresh. So sometimes if it is not coming, we'll make the refresh. Setting the cookies is nothing but we know that cookies is in set up the files. And for example, if you take the splitting the information, users and passwords, if you take, that is also called one cookies. The cookies that browser should be remember. So browser should be remember the our username, passwords, or information, some of the informations. So do not set this header directly, use add the cookies instead. So that is what they will be happening, the cookies. Authentication, so authentication, you know that authorizations. So authorizations type and realm needed to authorizations of the headers. So for every headers, authentications is required, authorization is required to access the particular things. That is what the yesterday common HTTP response the headers we had discussed. And let us see the persistent servlet state and auto reloading the pages. So how to make the auto reloading the pages? So here is servlet state and auto reloading the pages. So what is the servlet state? That is nothing but the browsers, what it will be happening. So when the servlets are working, how to auto reload the pages. So here we'll take one example and how it will work we'll be seeing here. So generate the list of large prime numbers will be taken. Example 150 digits of the prime numbers. So we can take the bigger numbers. If you go for the C data structures and all, what will happen there is nothing but we can go for the smaller numbers, because if you are entering integers data type, restriction is there. Long integer, you have the restrictions. Double, you have the restrictions. But here we don't have any restrictions. We can use the directly the values. String type you can take or integers type you can take, and bigger numbers will try it out how it will be working. I'll show you the example how it will be working. Generate the large prime numbers. We know the prime numbers logic. First semester you have done, second semester you have done, and you know how to execute the prime numbers. So prime numbers is nothing but which is divisible by 1 and itself. That's all. So show the partial results until the completed. So here is when you are generating the bigger numbers, show the partial one page, one page. That is what we have done it here. Let's new clients make use of the refresh from the others. So let us the new clients makes the use of the refresh buttons. So once you make the refresh, next it will be going. That is what the continuation of the yesterday's class. So here is now our intention is we have to generate the bigger numbers of the prime numbers. How it will be working? So when you are making the refresh, it will go to the next page. That is what our intention to do the execution of the program. Next is demonstrate use the refresh of the headers. So how to make the refresh of the headers? Shows how easily it is for the servlets to maintain the state between the request. So here is shows the easily it is for the servlets to maintain the state between the request. So easily maintaining the state between the request. Verify difficulty in traditional the CGIs. Very difficult in traditional CGIs, but here servlet programs it is easy. Just you are making the refresh buttons and it will be executing automatically. Also illustrate that servlets can handle multiple simultaneous connections. So here is what servlets can handle the multiple connections. So here is multiple connections, that means multiple people requesting the server will be responding this one. So here is every request will be creating how to, it will be synchronizing, how it will be happening, and how to create the threads. Threads is nothing but the child process. So one request, one child will be created. Whatever child is requested, whatever the person is requested, that one will be correspondingly will be changed. Correspondingly will be sending. That is what the authentications we had discussed. Each request is in a separate thread. Synchronization request for the shared data. So synchronization for the shared data, common area, common data will be displayed. Other one is nothing but the each request in a separate thread. So every request will be having the separate threads, separate information, separate child, separate thread, separate persons. All these things will be coming into the pictures. Who are all requesting separately. So for correspondingly, they have to send it. That is what the authentications, all that one will be happening. So username, password. So you people may be using the online service purpose, Amazon, username, password, Amazon Prime, Netflix, all these things you are using, you know that authentications. So that means what? Amazon Prime also we are paying and we are taking the connections, only that one we can be able to see. So that is what the authentication synchronization. That means what? Overall requesting for them only that one. So authenticate is nothing but what? Whether they paid or not. Once it is paid, from date to date, all these things will be checking. That is what the authentications. Synchronization is nothing but you know the operating systems you have studied, synchronization will be happening for the this one. So next one is nothing but generating the prime numbers, I told you. So let us go for the output first, then we'll come back to the program here. Can you able to see this? What is the first one? Number of, can read any one of you?
Primes to be calculated.
Finding the largest large prime numbers. Next one is called the next one, number of
Number
primes.
of primes in calculator.
Next
Calculated.
calculate. Next one is
Number of digits.
digits. So how many numbers you want to calculate, how many number of digits you required. That is what the program set the calculations. So first one is nothing but what? Number of primes to calculate 25 numbers. So 25 numbers I want to calculate it. Number of digits, each number should be 150. That's what will be calculation. So here is one heading we have displayed, finding the large numbers of the prime numbers, finding the large prime numbers, and one is called the label, one is called the text, another one is called the label text, and this one is called the clicking buttons. That's what we are doing. So we are not storing any informations here. We are not using any HTML file separately. Direct file only we are using and we'll executing. So let us see simple code here. Simple code. So here is first one is public void do get HTTP request object name, response object name, throws a servlet exception, IO exception. This already you know that. Before that, header files, what all the header files is required, you have to mention it. Int prime numbers, servlet utilities. So we have to use the servlet utilities, get int parameters. So that's what the previous parameters we have used. Get parameters, request is nothing but this one, and here is do get only. in do get functions we are using. And request prime numbers, the starting number, whatever you are writing, 50 numbers, we have to write it. Number of the digits, the second one is called the servlet utilities, get int parameter, request number of the digits. So here first one is called the number of the primes, another one is called the number of the digits, 120. So 50, 120, we have given it here. Finalize the parameters request. So directly we are displaying 50 and 125. Here is we have used 25 and 150. I'll come back to that one. So here what I have taken, I'll tell you. So number of the prime numbers 50, number of digits is 120. Finding the prime list is synchronized. So we have to synchronize with these two numbers. So prime list we have to taken. So prime list is called the variable name. Find the prime list. So we have to find the prime list of this one. So this is called your variable name. Prime list is nothing but already it is available in the servlets. So here is the find the prime list. Prime list vector. So vector is nothing but the like array store. They storing the informations, storing the data. Vector also mathematics you will be reading. So like rows and columns will be there. You can store the information. So number of the primes, that is called the first one. Number of the digits, that is called the second one. First number and second number, we can pass the parameters here. That is called the one is called the first number, another one is called the second number. Now, initially prime list, if it is equal to null, prime list numbers, initially it will be null only. Prime list is equal to new prime list of number of the primes, that is called the starting number. Number of the digits, that is called the second last number. If it is true, new parameters list, if it is true, so what will be happening? So you have to make the synchronization of the prime list of the vectors. So if the prime list of the vector dot size is greater than the maximum size of the list, suppose if it is maximum size, if it is crossing that list, what it will be doing? So you will be deleting the starting locations, that is called the prime list of the vector, remove element at the 0th location. So that means what? If it is array is got filled, so starting locations will be deleting. So prime list of the vectors, add element in the prime list. So that locations you are adding. So that is what if it is crossing that one. Otherwise, what will happen? Vector current primes, prime list of the get prime, the prime numbers, whatever you have initialized the previous one. Int number of the current primes is equal to current primes dot size, and what you have to do is number of the primes remaining is equal to number of the primes minus number of the current primes. So that is means what number of the primes values will be subtracting the number of the current primes. So Boolean is list of the results is equal to number of the primes initializing, if it is equal to 0, last digits respond dot set of the header refresh of the every 5 seconds. So that is what we'll be doing. Every values it is displaying that 120 digits one page, then you have to make the refresh of the 5. So response dot set header refresh of the 5. So now what type of the file? Response dot set content of the type text.html, print writer out, response dot the get writer. So shows all the list of the prime numbers found here. So that is what the out get writer of this one. Directly we are not using any other things. Directly we are displaying here. So see here 1 to 9. Some of the 150 digits prime numbers found which 150 are more the digits of the 9. So shows the heading more than 16 from page numbers. How many are there? So here it is 9. So one maximum numbers we have displayed, screenshot have taken. And another one is called the once you make the refresh. So primes found with 150 or more digits of the 25. So here is 150 or more 9 digits 9. Here is 150 more than 125. So that means what? More numbers 25 here. Here is digits is nothing but the 9 only. So here is still loading for 16 more. So here is once you make the refresh, the remaining numbers will be displayed. So here is only here is 9 is visible. After making refresh, remaining also will be there and we can refresh it. So you can scroll down and you can get it the remaining numbers. That is what the way of working the prime numbers crossing the 150 digits numbers. So 150 digits of the prime numbers. So bigger numbers we have taken the prime numbers. So how much you want, you can take the bigger numbers, and headers refresh how it will be happening. So that is what the examples, one example we have taken here. So here is directly displaying number of the prime numbers, calculate that first number and second number. One more examples we have taken here, 50 120, that 50 120 because different screenshot I have taken. So once you enter 50, here also 50 only should come, and this one is nothing but the 50 120. So here I have entered is nothing but the 25 and 125 different number. You can enter the same thing only. So that is what the examples here, a way of working. So here is the number of the primes is nothing but 50 here I have taken, number of the digits is nothing but 120. So vector is nothing but storing your informations like arrays only. Vectors mathematics will use it, vector calculations. So that is what the way of storing the informations. So once you store into the vectors, the way of displaying, one have used, suppose if the first locations will be vector, you have allocated the memory, if it is filled crossed the maximum limits, so then delete it the first one and do the operations in the first locations. Otherwise, go ahead with the without any problems if it is small locations. So here is synchronization is nothing but what? Why we are using the synchronization is nothing but when you are using the huge people, because that's what we have discussed. We had discussed if more requests happen, also synchronization we should be happening. Synchronization happen when it is requesting more people at a time, when you are requesting the server many people. So that what will be happening, synchronization primes of the list of the vectors. If it is crossing that one, who are all initiated first, who are all requested first, once it is complete that one, that delete it, do the remaining operations into that one. That is what they remove element at the first locations, and whatever you are doing the operations, add element prime list. So here is we are not doing any operations, we are not checking any operations there. So if it is prime numbers, what we will do there, for I is equal to 2, I less than n, I plus plus, if a of I given number divided by modulus of the I is equal to 0, you are coming out of that one. So there we are writing the different logic to write the program, but here is directly prime list is there within the given range of that numbers, directly it will be calculating here. So you see, when you are going for the advanced versions, no need to struggle here. So directly we'll be taking Unix. If you take a system date, how much difficulties we have to take entire number, we have to cut the pieces, and we have to take one part. But here you have the easy versions, easy parameters are available in advanced Java. We can use it directly. So just one name called prime list and number of the primes and starting number of the digits, and this one. So we can take with how much numbers you want, all these things. Not only prime numbers generation, also you have the numbers, you have the for parameters like methods are available. We can use the parameters and methods and to generate the prime numbers also. So here is prime list, we are taking with the given range of that one, directly we can take and we can print it, no need to write any logic. So here is refresh, normally we have given after 5, otherwise you make the refresh options. So this is what the synchronization will be happening. That is what the here we have written the locations called the generating the list of the numbers. Also use the servlet, each request in a separate thread, synchronization required for the shared data. So shared data synchronization is required. That is the reason we have used here the synchronization, synchronize the prime list of the vectors. That is what the you have to remember, you have to write the in examination also the same way. So small modifications are there, The small modifications you need to identify and you have to write it this one. Okay. So any doubt this prime numbers? Biggest of the prime numbers. So request in number, how many prime numbers you want, how many digits you want, that's all. Make the refresh 1 1 per 10 10 or whatever it is displaying. It will be first it will be displaying the smaller one, and after finishing that, after is the list is results, once it is filled, you can make the refresh and it will go for the next one, next page. That is what the this one. You can try for this and it will be working, and you can check it out when you are coming for the laboratories. Is it clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you want to copy this? Or I'll send it through mail. Anyway, PPT is available. I'll send it. Okay. Right. I'll move to next one now. Nothing is there in this program. Starting number, how many prime numbers you want, how many digits you want each number. That's it. So in particular page, it will be displayed some of the numbers. Once you see that, you can go for the refresh, or automatically after 5 seconds it will be going, then it will be moved to the next page. That is nothing but the remaining numbers will be displaying. Afterwards you can make the scroll down. That's all will be happening. So here is to generate the prime numbers of the list, we have to use called the prime list of the vectors. That's all. So prime list is there. Once you create the prime list, how many numbers you want, how many digits you want, once you do this, then you have to write it this one, and you have to display this one. So once you do, if it is a prime, if it is not crossing the maximum size, it will be working this one. Otherwise it will be working this, and it will be printing the, that is called the print writer out is equal to response dot the get writer. So it will be displaying everything. So prime list vector is equal to add list of the prime list. That one will be out of this one, and it will be displaying the show the list of the prime numbers found here. That's what the output of this one, and this is what the way of working. Once you make the refresh, you can scroll down and you can see it. So initially it will be displaying only few numbers. There is no scroll down in this one, and only you can see this. After making the refresh, the header, after reloading, you can be able to view the remaining numbers. That is what the intention of the this. Next, potential of the cookies. So potentials of the cookies. So here is idea. So you have the two typical uses of the cookies, and one is called the ideas. So what is the behind these ideas of this one? Potentials of the cookies. So servlet sends the simple name and value to the client. So servlet sends the simple name and value to the client. So client returns the same name and value. So client will be returning same name and value when it is connects to the same site. That is called the same domain, depending on the cookies settings. So now we can see our examples only when we are connecting the classes. Now what happened, yesterday's link they have given only 1 day time, so we couldn't able to connect it. Now again I have created one more link and I have sent it to you, then you have created. So this small name, client side, you are clicking that, it will be connected to the server and it will be coming back to the response to you people also. Small information, that is what the idea behind to this one. Server sends the simple name and value to the client. So server, once it is created here, server is ready, we have sent the link to the clients. So client returns the same name and value when it is connected to the same site. So same site, once you click that, it will be connected to the server, that is called the same site. That is what the cookies of this one. So here everywhere you have the authentication, again you have the some of the rules regulations. You have, if it is BMSID domain, they have allowed for all the people to enter it. So no need to teacher, no need to click the accept and all. So initially when we took in second semester, I was using my personal mail ID. In that case, what happened? You people are using your personal. Every time I used to give the permission to enter into the class. So there, now what will happen? Whenever you want, you can connect it. That is what will happen here. Already they have given the authentication. So be at BMSIT domain who are all connecting directly, you are allowing. That is what the happening. That is what the potentials of the servlets sends the simple name and value to the client. Client returns the same name and value when it is connected to the same site. So either domain depending on the cookies of the settings. That is what this one. So that means what? Usernames, password. So every file, cookies is nothing but what? Every file you will be having that is also called file only. So there you have, for example, if you take username and password will be there. So that is splitting into the cookies. So their authentications will be given and it will be connected to this one. That is what the header will be doing. Typical uses of the cookies. So you see the process when we are, for example, online classes only, if you are taking, how much process, how your server clients will be responding, requesting, all these things, we can also develop it. That is what the way of working. We are seeing the real-time examples in this case. Now, typical uses of the cookies. So what will be happening here is identifying a user during an e-commerce sessions. So servlets have the higher level of the API for this task. So servlets APIs will be there. How the different tasks, different versions will be there, all these things. So now if you see here, what is the versions will be there, where it will be working, all these things, you know that. So what is the conditions? So that's what I told you. BMS at BMSIT login, if you are giving, so that versions, once you give, click it, automatically you will be connecting. So when I have sent it today link, what happened? Automatically, just once you have clicked it, it is connected to the server automatically. That is what will be happening. Avoiding the username and password. Avoiding the username and password. Customizing a site. Focusing advertising. So that means what? Only few we can give authentications and passwords. For all it is not required, because now entire class for everybody, if you are giving authentication for the teachers, it will be taking that one only process, because maybe due to internet problems or some other problems, connection problems, all these things. Sometimes one person will be going and coming, all these things, net connections, other problems will be there. So if you are giving every time authentication, it is problem for the teacher also. So where you are doing the financial transactions and personal informations, there you give the authentication. For other things, once you enter it, no need to do for every transactions the usernames and password. For example, Amazon, if you take, what will happen, or Flipkart, if you take, what will happen, once you enter into that one username and password for the Amazon or Flipkart, so there we can be able to do, we can able to view, we can see all the information, whatever it is available. So when you are purchasing, then the different transactions, username, password, or debit card or credit card, whatever it may be. So that is what the intentions of the ideas and typical uses of the cookies. So where to use, when to use, all these things we should be able to identify, and we should be able to write the code based on the users requirements. That is what the here. Identifying the users during the e-commerce sessions. Servlets have the higher level of the API for this task. Avoiding the usernames and password, customizing the site, focusing the advertising. So this is what the real-time examples for the potentials of the cookies. What is the idea you are having? What is the use of the ideas? So every time client server communications, whenever it is happening, this will be happening. So authentications will be taken care and it will be working as usual. Now see here, that's what one example programs they have taken here. So like cookies and focus the advertising. So point to this, click for the free stuff. So whenever you are using some of this one, you will be getting the email, some advertisement in between. That means advertisement. For example, if you see the what is that called, YouTube and all. So some of the videos, sometimes we'll see the songs, sometimes we'll see the movies, sometimes comedies or jokes or whatever it may be. So in between and all, sometimes we'll give the advertisements. So nobody can do the freely business. So even Amazon, if you do it, many advertisements will be coming. So Amazon cannot give for free everybody. So they will be taking from the advertisement, or where they're doing the business, they will be getting some of the transactions amount, or some other way they'll be getting the amount. So here is If you see the newspaper also, if you click the newspaper, what will happen? You'll be getting advertisements also. So here that is what will be happening. So if you don't want to that one, either open or close will be there. Just skip that one. All options will be available, and we can go for this. That is what the cookies focus the advertisement in. So here point click this one. So here once you close this one more, it is came hassle free Java server pages and Java servlets. So this is what this one, and you are searching something, you can search it that one. So this is what the cookies and focus of the advertising. So you know, I can say better than me, websites, the way of accessing, for example, maybe YouTube or Amazon, Flipkart, or any advertisements you people know better than me. So this is what the way of accessing all these things. So authentication, synchronizations, all these things to be taken care the back end. So that is what we have to do it also. So sometimes we'll think, so already everything computerized is happened. Again, whether software engineer's role will be there or not, which is no way, every time it will be there on. I'll tell you the one best example. You take two-wheelers only. So first two-wheelers, if you see 20 years back, 20 years back and all, what happened, what are the features were there. Now you see what are the features are available. You take mobile, initially we had only the small mobile we were using, and only incoming call, outgoing call. Nowadays with mobile, everything we can be able to do it using mobile itself. So that's what will be updating. So now you see the Google Maps. If you take the examples, even if I don't know the route also, if I put it in the destination address, and we can travel. So that is what the happening. That is what every time updates. You take cars only, every time they're updating. So persons are required, softwares are required, everything. Now they are finding the driverless cars. So using the softwares and sensors, IoTs, they are developing all those things. That is what every time, whatever we find, that maybe after 1 year, 2 years, it may be old, again new options will be coming. So that is what the options are available. That is what we have to learn, we have to explore. That's all. So these were the advertisements. So even web pages also, once it is developed, that is not the final. Every time based on the people request, based on the demand, we have to change and we have to go. That's all. Even if you take college websites, what will happen? Initially 10 years back it was different, now it is different. So all options are available, we have to include it and go. So based on the current situations, current circumstances, we have to go. That's all. So now cookies and privacies. So just examples are available here. You can see here the things I don't like about using the internet is there. That is the enough to work. So I keep the hearing phones talk about that I. So this is what the Foxtrot 1998 Bill Ahmed reprinted with the permissions of the Universal Press Syndicate, all rights reserved. So this is what the different ways of the actions. So cookies and privacies will be there. So where we have to give the privacies, we have to give. Where the data sharing for all the informations that we can give it. That is what they will be happening. So when you are giving feedback, username, passwords are required. So when you want to access the department faculties or college faculties, college news, that is not required. Common area, common data, common sharing the data. So that is what we have to see, and we have to write the course. Next, some of the problems with the cookies. So sometimes username, passwords will be there. We'll be having the problems. So with respect to the privacy, securities. So this also you know better than me, I can say. So you know the better. So cyber crimes we are saying. So through Facebook they are doing, or through social media, how they are doing cheating. So all these things we are seeing in the print media or news or these things. So some of the cases are there. that they have to take care. That means what? So we'll assume that this will be required, we'll develop it. Once you do this, then problems will be accumulating. Once it is given for the use, then only we'll come to know the problems. So now let us see what are all the problems are available, what are all the problems with respect to the cookies. The problems is privacy, not the securities. So privacy and security, you need to give more attentions towards the people. So servers can remember your previous actions. So servers can remember your previous actions, only that one. So if you give out personal information, server can link that information to your previous actions. So that's what I told you. Once you enter Flipkart username password, once given it there, based on that one only, whatever you are doing, the operations will be acting. So server will be acting based on that one only. When you are giving forward, backward, or different searching items, all these things. So sometimes we'll search the house items, sometimes we'll search the mobiles, sometimes we'll search some other things. So whenever you are searching, once given the authentication, server will be remembering previous username and password. Based on that one only, it will be acting. That is what the second one. If you give out of personal information, server can link that information to your previous actions only. So when you are searching that username password, you will be remembering only server, only that one. But transactions, when it is coming, so when you are with respect to amount, there only that particular transaction amount. So remaining things, it will not. So once you bill it, once you complete your transactions, once again if you are searching, again you are going, again it will be asking from the beginning, because their money is involved. So server also should not remember that one. That is what the main intention. Server can share the cookies information through use of a cooperating third parties. So like doubleclick.net. So server will be having full authentications informations like cookies, that is called the users names and passwords, all these things. So sometimes do you want to store the password here, it will be coming the messages. So we'll be clicking no. So here is what server, that is what authentications. So who are all developing, like either Amazon Prime, all these things, people, they should give the security to the users. So for example, once you buy it, some informations, some of the buying the items. So if that people are sharing your informations, that means what will happen? Next time onwards, will not believe the particular site or particular company people. So will not go for the online transactions at all. So even they have to maintain that one. In spite of that, the third party, if they're doing, that is what they will be taking care. That is what. So even username, password, some of the cases, that people also should not be visible. So like that, they have to take the privacies and securities. Poorly designed sites store the sensitive informations like a credit card numbers directly in the cookies. So if it is storing that cookies, the informations, that means that's what I told you, usernames and passwords, if it is stored into the particular servers, then it will be big troubles with respect to the customers. That should not happen. So privacies and securities also to be taken care. That is what the problems is, privacy, not the security. Privacy is most important. Security also important one. So morals for the surrogate authors. So I'll tell you this, then I'll stop it. So morals for the surrogate authors. If cookies are not critical to your task, if cookies are not critical to your task, avoid the surrogates that totally fail when the cookies are disabled. So when if it is cookies are not critical, if you are thinking that one, avoid the surrogates itself. So totally fail when the cookies are disabled. Don't put sensitive information into the cookies. So cookies, always the danger, that is nothing but the sites. So do you want to store the informations, all these things, don't click it, that one saving button, don't save only. So that means what will happen? Remembering the passwords, that is always danger. Somebody can take your informations and do the some other processes. So you know, that's what I told you. You people are very good because already you know how to use. Many people are you are purchasing online online purchasing, all these things you are doing, so you know the better. So your people are doing online research, sometimes we are purchasing the items, all these things we are doing. So that is what the some of the problems with the cookies. So we have to remember security wise other things. Next examples is there. So this example we'll discuss in the next class because it will take time. So continuation I have to say it. So this will see it. So SAS, how to write the sending the cookies to the browsers. So how they are sending the cookies to the browsers. That means what, usernames and passwords using the do get method. How they are sending, we have to discuss next class that one. The cookies, what it will be, how it will be working, how it will be sending. So we have some of the methods there. Well, let us see the next class that one. Any doubts now? Today's class? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, so here is what we have done is today's class generating the bigger prime numbers and refresh the, once you do the refresh, that header formats, how it will be changing, how it will be displaying. That is what one. And with respect to the cookies and privacies, so cookies also we should know. Cookies is nothing but that is also called one file only, that is called the, for example, if you take usernames and passwords, you can take the examples. So there how it will be working, what are all the things to be taken care, that's what we have to see. So what are all the problems also will be there with respect to the cookies. So with respect to the securities and privacies, that is what the, with respect to the authentications, that is what we had discussed. And we'll see the next class with one example program, how it will be working this one. Now I'll stop this. We'll see in the next class the remaining informations. Answer your attendance. 1.
Present, sir.
What happened, Asta? So many days.
Sir, I was not in the Bangalore.
Okay. So don't miss now onwards, right? Attend all the classes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 2,
Present, sir.
3,
Present, sir.
4,
Yes, sir.
5,
Present, sir.
6,
Yes, sir.
7,
Present, sir.
8,
Present, sir.
7. Arjun?
7 present, sir.
8,
Yes, sir.
9,
Present, sir.
10,
Present, sir.
11,
Present, sir.
12,
Present, sir.
13,
Present, sir.
14,
Present, sir.
15, 16,
Present, sir.
17,
Present, sir.
18,
Present, sir.
19,
Present, sir.
20, Guria, 21,
Present, sir.
22,
Present, sir.
23,
Present,
Kavya,
sir.
24,
Present, sir.
Present, sir.
25.
Yes, sir.
If you say 2 people at a time, you see if you are not able to say your when I'm calling your number, you tell last. 2 to 3 people if you are saying at a time will get confusion. Lata present. 26,
Present, sir.
27,
Yes, sir.
28,
Present, sir.
29,
Yes, sir.
30,
Present, sir.
31. TD series 2,
Present, sir.
3,
Present, sir.
4,
Present, sir.
5,
5 present, sir.
6,
6 present, sir.
7,
Present, sir.
8,
Present, sir.
9,
Present, sir.
10,
Present, sir.
11,
Yes, sir.
12, 12, Rizwan, 13,
Sir.
14,
Yes, sir.
Rizwan present, huh? Rizwan,
Yes, sir. Present, sir. Present, sir.
okay. 13, Vishal, Vishal, 14,
Yes, sir.
15, 16,
Present, sir.
17, 17, Sneha, 18,
Present, sir.
19,
Present, sir.
20,
Present, sir.
21,
Present, sir.
22,
Present, sir.
23,
Present, sir.
right.